Not 3 times, not 5 times, twice. Because if we do it 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 times, it's not really sight reading anymore. It's rehearsing. And that's not the point. So what if we were to say, we're going to do it one more time, with the following mindset. If I got lost twice, I'm not going to get lost. If I made 5 mistakes, I'm only making 2 this time. What would happen to the choir? Way better, right? Sing and hold your first again. Go. 1, 2, and sing. Wow, gorgeous, beautiful, fantastic. They're wonderful. That's awesome. Okay, what song should we sing first? Sylvie. Do you do like the little hand things?